Now we are going to talk about a very interesting function, that is switch function. So what about the switch function? So we can say it's basically work like a hero. So why I'm saying the hero? Because we know that sometimes superheroes are something different in their real life and something different, in their personal life. So switch function is somewhat like a superhero. So suppose, say let's understand from this example. Means suppose you have some values and you want to show something else, okay, in that table. So you can simply use the switch function. Suppose if you have to, we have a category table here, the product categories. So you can see the product keys are here 1, 2, 3, 4, and in front of product key we can see the names, different names of that product. So one product key means bikes, 2 means components, 3 means clothing, and 4 means accessories. So let's try something. Let's play with the switch function. So how we can play? So you can use this switch function according to your situation. If you want to see the data, so at that time you only have a product category key, and again you have to find that data in the other table. So don't do that. Just go here. We know that how to create a conditional column. So just click on the column. So now my requirement is, we know that the product key 1 means what? The bike. 2 means components, 3 means clothing, and 4 means accessories. I want to see the particular product in front of the product category key. Okay, so for that purpose 1 should reflect with the that particular product, 2 should reflect for the particular product. So I am not replacing these values, I am just creating the new column and showing those particular product in front of the product key. So for that purpose I am using switch function. So how we can do that? Let's try it. Let's do a practically. So I hope that you guys are following me, so you will get these things practically. Okay, so let's do that. So my table name is, sorry, my column name is category name, right? Again equals to, so which function we are using? Switch, right? I'm clicking over here, switch. So what I'm doing, what I want, product category key, right? This. So I'm simply writing product, product category key. What I want, what I want, see, in front of 1, sorry, in front of 1, please write down bike. In front of 2, write down components. Again 3, in front of 3 we want clothing. In front of 4 we want accessories. Right, then bracket gets complete, right? So see, so we got the output. So this is how, if you go and check, sorry, and categories, 1 for bike, 2 for components, 3 for clothing, and 4 for accessories. If you check the similar way, see, 1 for bike, 2 for components, and 3 in front of that clothings are there. So this is for the sake of easiness, so you can directly check out how many product keys are there and which type of products under that category name, which type of product categories are there. So you can easily find out by using the switch function. I hope you got all about the switch function from this video. Thank you.